Welcome to our channel, where we explore business stories and money systems. Today, we're discussing how rich people think about cash flow. Understanding their mindset can help you make better financial decisions. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business or personal finance. It's the money coming in and going out, and managing it is crucial. Rich people think about cash flow in a unique way, focusing on assets. Assets are things that generate income, like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, are expenses that drain your resources. Recurring income is key to building wealth, as it provides a steady stream. Downside protection is also essential, as it helps you weather financial storms. Let's take a look at how rich people manage their cash flow. They often use a budgeting system to track their income and expenses. A budget is like a roadmap, helping you navigate your financial journey. Rich people also prioritize saving and investing, as these activities generate wealth. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can provide a steady income stream. Automatic savings apps can help you set aside money regularly. Data center servers and cloud computing are also essential for modern businesses. Startup teams use whiteboards to brainstorm and plan their financial strategies. A calculator and notebook budget can help you track your expenses. Stock charts and bank statements are also crucial for monitoring your finances. Rich people think about cash flow in terms of